German luxury cars have long stood as the gold standard in automotive engineering, design, performance, and prestige. And when enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike think of brands that embody precision, innovation, and status, names like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, and Porsche immediately come to mind. And in recent years, even brands like Volkswagen with their upper-tier offerings and Maybach as the ultra-premium extension of Mercedes have played significant roles in shaping the way the world views German craftsmanship. So when we review German luxury cars in a comprehensive manner, it is important to look at their legacy, current lineup, innovations, performance metrics, reliability concerns, ownership experience, and the cultural impact these cars have had globally. Because German automakers are not just producing vehicles, they are creating lifestyle symbols that resonate deeply with car lovers across continents. And the story begins with Mercedes-Benz, the oldest luxury car manufacturer in the world, tracing its roots back to Carl Benz, who invented the first automobile in 1886. And from then on, Mercedes has been synonymous with cutting-edge technology, comfort, and timeless design, with the S-Class being the ultimate luxury sedan benchmark, often debuting innovations that later become standard in the automotive world, such as adaptive cruise control, advanced safety systems, and high-end infotainment solutions, while the E-Class has historically balanced business class comfort with sporty dynamics, and the smaller C-Class has catered to younger professionals seeking entry-level luxury with a prestigious badge, while SUVs like the GLE, GLC, and GLS provide versatile luxury for families, and the legendary G-Wagon has transformed from a rugged military vehicle into a global symbol of wealth, status, and durability. Now, looking at BMW, the brand positions itself with the tagline, "The Ultimate Driving Machine," emphasizing driving pleasure, sharp handling, and sport-oriented luxury, with models like the 3 Series long regarded as the quintessential sports sedan blending performance and comfort, while the 5 Series appeals to executives wanting more room without sacrificing agility, and the flagship 7 Series rivals the Mercedes S-Class by adding dynamic innovations and cutting-edge luxury. While BMW's SUV lineup, known as the X models such as the X3, X5, and X7 have become global bestsellers, particularly in markets like North America where luxury crossovers dominate. And for enthusiasts, BMW's M division has consistently delivered high-performance variants such as the M3, M5, and X6M, cars that combine everyday usability with racetrack-capable performance, while Audi, under the Volkswagen Group, has carved out a distinct niche with its Vorsprung durch Technik philosophy, meaning progress through technology, focusing heavily on design, interiors, and advanced all-wheel drive systems like the famed Quattro, and Audi sedans such as the A4, A6, and A8 are known for their minimalist luxury interiors featuring cutting-edge digital displays, MMI infotainment systems, and precise build quality, while its SUVs like the Q5 and Q7 cater to practical luxury buyers, and the Q8 stands as a stylish coupe SUV alternative. And on the performance side, Audi's S and RS models, including the RS6 Avant and R8 supercar, have cemented its reputation as a brand capable of blending daily usability with extreme performance. Then comes Porsche, often placed in a slightly different category because while it is undoubtedly a luxury brand, its focus on sports cars, with the legendary 911 being one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, balancing everyday drivability with track-capable engineering. And while purists once scoffed at Porsche entering the SUV segment, the Cayenne and Macan have become its top-selling models globally, allowing the brand to expand and fund continued development of high-performance sports cars. And the Panamera brought Porsche's DNA into the luxury sedan market, while the all-electric Taycan has shown that Porsche is committed to leading performance electrification, combining lightning-fast acceleration with futuristic interiors. And beyond the big 4 German luxury brands, it's worth mentioning Maybach, which exists as the ultra-luxury arm of Mercedes, reviving the historic marque to compete directly with Rolls-Royce and Bentley, offering unparalleled levels of customization, comfort, and chauffeur-driven prestige, while even Volkswagen at the higher end of its lineup has produced notable luxury vehicles such as the now discontinued Phaeton, which was a technological marvel albeit a commercial failure. And today VW continues to impact the premium SUV market with models like the Touareg. Now, when reviewing German luxury cars, performance is always front and center, because these cars are often equipped with powerful engines ranging from efficient turbocharged 4 cylinders to V8s and V12s, and increasingly advanced hybrid and electric powertrains, with precision tuned suspensions, dual-clutch transmissions, and adaptive drive systems that make them feel stable and engaging at high speeds, which is one reason German luxury sedans are the preferred choice for autobahn driving, where unlimited speed zones allow these cars to showcase their engineering prowess. But it is not just performance that defines them, it's also interiors that blend technology with craftsmanship. with German automakers pushing boundaries in digital instrument clusters, augmented reality head-up displays, premium materials such as Napa leather and open-pore wood, and increasingly ambient light-focused cabin atmospheres that allow drivers to feel both futuristic and pampered. And in terms of reliability, this has historically been one of the biggest criticisms of German luxury cars, because while they are marvels of engineering, their complexity means higher maintenance costs, more frequent repairs, and expensive parts, with brands like BMW and Audi in particular earning reputations for electrical gremlins and mechanical issues as vehicles age, while Mercedes has improved in reliability but still struggles with cost of ownership compared to Japanese luxury brands like Lexus. However, many buyers overlook these drawbacks because of the prestige, driving experience, and technology German luxury cars provide, and ownership of such a vehicle often signifies a certain lifestyle and success, becoming a statement as much as a transportation choice. And this cultural significance cannot be overstated, as German luxury cars are prominently featured in movies, music videos, and social media influencers' feeds, reinforcing their aspirational value, with the G-Wagon becoming a favorite among celebrities, the BMW M3 remaining a cult icon among enthusiasts, and the Porsche 911 symbolizing timeless performance excellence. But as the automotive world transitions toward electrification, German automakers are once again at the forefront, with Mercedes EQ series pushing luxury EVs, BMW i4, 9, and i7 redefining the electric luxury segment, Audi e-tron models offering futuristic design and tech, and Porsche Taycan proving electric cars can still thrill. So when we look at German luxury cars holistically, they represent a blend of history, innovation, performance, and lifestyle. And while they demand higher ownership costs and sometimes challenge reliability patience, they continue to dominate global perceptions of what true luxury motoring should be. And whether you are drawn to the comfort and class of a Mercedes S-Class, the sharp driving dynamics of a BMW 3 Series, the tech-laden refinement of an Audi A8, or the pure driving thrill of a Porsche 911, German luxury cars deliver experiences that are deeply emotional and technologically advanced, making them not just vehicles but symbols of ambition, innovation, and cultural prestige. And that is why reviewing German luxury cars is not just about comparing specifications, but about understanding the entire aura they project, the history they carry, and the future they are shaping in the automotive landscape.